Hello, dear students. Welcome to Hybrid Learning. So, this is part 3 of the discussion of pre-board questions for grade 10. Today, we will be focusing on chemistry part. We will be discussing all the objective questions in the chemistry part. Okay, so let's get started. So, the first question given here is dilute hydrochloric acid is added to granulated zinc in the test tube. Which observation is correct? So which observation is correct? So when you add zinc and dilute hydrochloric acid, so metal with acid. So what observation can you see? You can see hydrogen gases evolve during these reactions. And hydrogen gas is a colorless and odorless gas. So your answer will be D, a colorless and odorless gases evolved. Next, when carbon dioxide is passed through lime water. Now we know that when carbon dioxide is passed through lime water, it turns milky, right? That is the identification reaction for carbon dioxide gas. So obviously the option will be lime water turns milky here. Third question, silver article turns black due to the formation of. Now silver articles, they say that it get tarnished. So why will it get tarnished? It will get tarnished because of the formation of Ag2S. Please be very careful when you attempt the silver part. Okay, silver sulfide, silver sulfate. What is the exact formula that you have to know? Okay, so the option will be, correct option will be Ag2S here. Okay, the next question. When element X on exposure to moist air turns reddish brown and forms compound Y, identify X and Y. Okay, so now X on exposure to moist air turns reddish brown. So reddish brown means it will be, this is what will be my X. X will be my iron, and reddish brown means that is the formation of rust. Now you have to remember what is the formula for rust formation. That is Fe2O3. So your option will be X is iron. So this is the only option here with iron. Other than that, there is no iron. Okay. So this is the condition for rusting. In rusting, you need oxygen and moisture. These are the two necessary conditions for the formation of rust. Let's go to the next question. What happens when an acid is mixed with a solution of base? So what happens when an acid is mixed with base? So acid plus base gives salt in water. That is a neutralization reaction. Now in case of neutralization reaction, what happens? Salt is formed, salt plus water. And it is also an exothermic reaction. So what will happen? The temperature of the solution will increase. So as a result, temperature will increase. This is a correct option. Salt formation takes place. So 1 and 2. So your correct option will be D, because you have to see that they have given the options here, right? So our option will be 1 and 4. Okay, next is tooth enamel is made of calcium hydroxyapatite. This chemical starts corroding in the mouth when pH is. Okay, so now this is like tooth enamel, okay, has this kind of chemical present. Now, what happens basically? It starts to corrode when the pH in the mouth becomes below 5.5. Why? Because that creates an acidic solution, and as a result, it breaks down the tooth enamel at a very faster rate. So, as per the option, I will consider 5 as the correct pH. Okay. Next. Copper spoon dipped in aluminium nitrate solution, which change occurs? Spoon coated with aluminium, alloy of copper and aluminium, solution becomes blue, no reaction. Now understand, copper and aluminium. Copper is less reactive than aluminium. Then definitely it won't be able to displace the aluminium nitrate from its solution, right? So it cannot displace the aluminium from its aluminium nitrate solution. As a result, no reaction will take place. So here, option D is the correct one. Now, next assertion reason, in ZNO plus carbon becomes Zn plus CO. Okay, ZNO undergoes reduction. Reason, carbon is a reducing agent that reduces zinc oxide to zinc. Now, if you can notice in this picture, ZNO is becoming Zn. So obviously there is a reduction, right? So my assertion is true. Now, if this is reduction, then carbon has to be the reducing agent, because carbon is taking that oxygen, is becoming carbon monoxide, right? So carbon is the reducing agent that reduces zinc oxide to zinc. So reason is also true. So both A and R are true, and R explains A. That will be the correct answer. Okay. So we'll stop here for today. In the next part, we will be discussing about the details question of subjective questions of chemistry. Stay tuned. If you have not subscribed the channel, please subscribe and follow us for more, because like this, more videos are going to come, which will be definitely beneficial for your upcoming exam. Hope this helps. Bye bye. See you in the next video.